Okay, I just got the thumbs up from Max that we are live. Hello, everyone. Welcome to another weekly community sync and catch up where the Fluid team, everyone give a big wave. Oh, guys, come on, we can do it. There we go. Happy Friday, guys. We'll give you a run through of what the team have been working on the past 2 weeks. We have some exciting announcements. We have some new team members and some new faces that you might see on the call as well. So we're going to introduce them. We also have a roundup of some of our user stats. We'll be giving you an update on our DUSD pool. And then also we have lovely Sveta who'll be showing us some new screens for some new exciting updates that we have. So a lot to go on and a lot to go through on today's call. I'm actually going to start just by jumping in with some of our user stats because this has been quite a busy 2 weeks, as I'm sure a lot of the people on the tech side of things, Eagle, Ava, also Kioma, kind of actually activating some of the accounts from a support perspective have really been all hands on in deck. You might have seen on social media that we bypassed 20,000 active users a few days ago. Currently, we are going very close to the 22,000 active users mark. We currently have 21,900 active users, which is absolutely amazing. So we're really thrilled to see all of our new Fluid family members that have joined on the actual Fluid accounts. Do make sure that if you are using the application, you make sure to use our Telegram because I'll keep you updated with any changes that we do have, any new product announcements, and also our show social media accounts as well. So there's the good news to start with. We also have some of the new joiners. I'll get to that in just a second. What I'll do first of all is just go through by job role. So starting off, as I mentioned, new users means we need more support hands on deck. So we have 2 new members of our support team. We have David, first of all. David, thanks for joining. How's it going?
Hello, everyone.
Hey,
Nice
so maybe nice to meet you too. So maybe you can just start with a little introduction, 1 sentence of you and also where you're based currently.
Yes, I am David. I am living in Georgia and studying at Caucasus University. Before I worked at Acharabet at the same position. I was in process management and I have experience in this position and it is not new for me. And I like challenges and I think it is most important position in Fluid Finance and I'm very proud to be a member of Fluid Finance.
Amazing, great to have you on board. And we also have Parnaz as well. I hope I pronounced that correctly. I recognize the backdrop. It looks like you're in the Georgia office as well. So maybe just a little introduction to yourself for the Fluid team members and also for our new community as well.
So hello again. It's a pleasure to meet your team and I hope we'll meet each other live also. Please welcome Georgia. I'm glad to make work like this because it's most important part of the job, as I think. So I will try to do all my best to get this as you want to be done.
Amazing, awesome to meet you guys. And just for everyone watching as well, you will see some of the kind of global international Fluid team that will be heading over to Georgia in the next week or two to do some team building, to help really with some product sprints and launches as well. So we will be sharing some content on socials there. Awesome, welcome to the team, guys. We also have a new community manager as well, as we know, with the growth of new community. So we do also have Damien as well. Damien, welcome to the team. Great to have you on board. Do you want to give a little intro to our community, to what you're currently doing, what team you're working with, and where you're based?
Thanks, Jessica, for introduction. So my name is Damien. Some of the community members probably know me by the nickname Hexalic. So I'm based in the UK. I've been a long time community member and I'm really excited to finally join the Fluid team. So yeah, I will be working more on the Go Fluid Ambassador program. And if you have any questions to me, please reach out in the Discord or our official Twitter. I will be happy to help.
Amazing. Welcome to the team. Great to have you on board. And we also have some new social media team members as well. So we have one team member called Thomas, who is joining us from Canada. He'll be keeping an eye on these social media platforms. And also his experience is growing social channels. So he is really experienced with growth and how to optimize the channels as well. So get set to see Fluid a little bit more active on the social channels. And we also have one content writer. Both of these guys couldn't join the call today, but Matt is also joined our social content writing team as well. So as you can see, the team is growing, which is really awesome. We also have some new support members as well. So maybe Kiyomi, you want to give us a talk through what we have from the support team? We also have some of them on the call. Hey guys.
Hi.
Amazing. So we have Adelinska. I hope I pronounced that correctly. Welcome to the team. You're also new with the Fluid support team. You're on mute. The microphone's still on mute.
Okay, good afternoon, everybody. Thank you so much. Thank you for it's a very good opportunity, a great opportunity to be one of the team members. I am so glad and I'm hoping I do my best. I have also been a graphic designer for FTS Africa. FTS is a very, very common platform. So I've been a graphic designer there and a community manager. So it's been a great journey and I promise to be my best and try to do the best I can. Thank you.
Amazing. Great to have you on board. And Kioma, thank you so much as well, I think, from the whole Fluid team, because I know you've been all hands on deck the past 2 weeks as well, as we have exploded in user growth across Africa. You've really been kind of leading and scaling. So that's been awesome. And we also have Juliet that's joined the support team as well.
Hello, good day, everyone. It's my pleasure to be part of the Fluid team and being part of the support, doing our best. Before now, I've been working with the community of some projects and working as a biomedical engineer in the hospital. But I just stopped and focused on Fluid because rendering such service has been what I've really liked. So it's nice to be part of the team.
Welcome on board. Great to have you guys. So these are our new joiners, to our community members. Lovely to meet them all. If you do manage to say hi to them on the official channels, do give them a big warm welcome as well. It's always great to see the community grow on an international level as well. Awesome. So I'm going to jump straight in now with the DUSD and DIE update. And I'm actually going to hand the floor to Igor, who's going to give you just a really short run through of where we currently stand and what you guys can expect.
Hey guys, first of all, we are well aware that we have a big issue with our current pool, and that remains our biggest focus for the time being. We are doing the best we can to solve this as soon as possible. The current solution for the problem is building our own arbitrage bot, which is already in works, in progress. Hopefully will be released soon, and once it is live, the issue will not exist anymore, or at least not to the same extent that it is now. So we are doing all that we can to fix this.
Thank you, Igor. And just to follow on from that, guys, if you are watching the YouTube video because you do want an update, in the description, we are going to have the links to our official Twitter and Telegram. As soon as we get an update for you, we will be posting it in the official Telegram, pinning that message and also posting it on Twitter as well. So just for reference, if you are kind of eagerly waiting for an update, do make sure to be following those socials as well, because that's where we will update our community and users first. And we are working as fast as we can to get that done for you guys. Okay, awesome. I'm now going to hand the floor to Ava for a community update. I always love these because every 2 weeks, the community list gets longer and longer. So what do we have in store for the past 2 weeks? What's been happening?
Thanks, Jess, and hello, everyone. Big hello also to everyone from the community watching. As with every week, I start off with a big thank you to all of our community members. Everyone has seen how much our socials and our Telegram and Discord have grown together with our users in the app in the last weeks. And I have to say, I mean, it's been you know, a lot of questions to answer, a lot of new people joining the community. And so many of you have stepped up, have helped out in the Telegram and Discord, have just answered questions when they were asked, and have just helped out and showed really the new people how great our Fluid fam is, and really made everyone feel welcome immediately. And I want to give a big shout out for that, because us as mods, we wouldn't even have been able to keep up without your help. So this is really much appreciated, and it just shows how great our community is. I also want to give a big thank you to all of the local leaders who have, you know, given us valuable feedback in their regions and also on Fluid in general, especially in the last 2 weeks. We've been reaching out to them more and more, trying to, you know, establish more specifically local approaches. So I want to give a big thank you to all of your help. And I also want to tell everyone watching, if you are interested, you know, in helping to spread the word in your region, in your area where you live, then please at any point reach out to us. We're more than happy to, you know, get you up to speed and help make things happen together. Everyone's help is so much appreciated. And also additionally to that, some other good news. We have just finished a Gleam campaign with Paraswap. We have sent the winners their rewards actually today. We have 2 winners from Indonesia and 1 winner from Ukraine. So it's always great to actually, you know, see people receive the rewards for these campaigns. Overall, we had participants from over 55 different countries in this one Gleam campaign, which is really, really awesome. And it shows actually how global our community is starting to become. So also big thank you to everyone who joined the campaign. It's been amazing. And also a big shout out to our partners at Paraswap and their really awesome community who have played a big part in this as well. Big success all around. And I also want to thank all of you who have personally gotten a lot of DMs lately with community members sending me, you know, suggestions or contacts for other collaborations, possible future Gleam or Twitter spaces. So I want to thank all of you who have reached out and, you know, shared your network with us, because it helps us tremendously. And please keep doing it. You know, together we will reach, you know, 70 countries in the next Gleam campaign, hopefully. And I'm also happy, one last thing, to pre-announce that we have a really comprehensive community report coming out very soon. It'll be a really great and comprehensive insight into Fluid as a company, and we can't wait to share it with everyone. So please keep your eyes open for that. We will let you know more about this next week. Thanks to all of you from our side, as every 2 weeks.
Amazing. Thank you, Ava. Awesome. And it was great, just to reiterate, the Gleam campaign was the most successful Gleam campaign that we've done by quite a long way. And like you said, it was so interesting to see what countries people were applying from. 55 countries is a huge milestone in itself. So really awesome job there. Now, Axel, I'm going to hand the floor to you. We have some updates. We have some things that might be in the pipeline when it comes to some content specific to our French users. And you guys were also doing some interesting AMAs and the kind of like live streams over the past few weeks. So maybe you want to update our global community on what you guys have been up to.
Sure. Hi, everyone. Yes, we are creating a bi-weekly updates that's in a video for the French community. So the main idea is to create French contents. So using the bi-weekly updates, and we will shoot more episodes for particular announcements. Such as a new tokenomics or a NASDAQ listing. Yeah, so we want to create some updates pretty frequently. Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Now I'm going to pass the floor to our other French community member, now employee Koplo, because we have some updates when it comes to our saving products and also some exciting news as well. I'm not going to give it away. I'll let you do that.
Thank you very much, Jessica. Yeah, so I'm very proud to announce that Fluid is going to integrate one of the biggest platforms for saving products, which has its Ave. So in one click, you'll be able to save your money on Fluid directly linked to Ave, and you will be able to get the API generated by Ave. So maybe Svetlana, you can maybe share the screen for the presentation of the Ave product. which is a very good news. So on the screen, you can see this DeFi vault where you will be able to deposit your money. You will be also be able to see how much APY you can get on a daily basis. So once you click on deposit, you will be on the other page. Yeah, on this one. So you will be able to top up or to withdraw directly on this page. You will be able to see your history, how much did you earn, and how much you're going to withdraw or to deposit again. And you will have multiple choice on the deposit side on the next screen. Yeah, this one. So you will be able to deposit either DAI or, of course, DUSD. So all your DUSD will be able to be plugged to Aave. So it's going to add more utility to the token. And yeah, in a click, and if I'm not wrong, for the saving product, you will only pay gas fees, which will be like 18 cents, sorry, for a click directly into Aave. We are also working on another saving product, which I'm not going to announce today, unfortunately, but it's going to be very big into the Fluid ecosystem. So we are definitely plugging more and more DeFi product into Fluid, and in one click, you will be able to get in and get out directly. That's it for me.
Awesome. Sveta, is there anything that Koplo that you'd like to add on that regarding the screens? Because they look absolutely awesome. You've done a great job.
Thank you, Jessica. Actually, I wanted to pay your attention that, let me move here. This is our current savings screen. Actually, the only thing we can see here is our balance and our earnings from Fluid accounts, and this some kind of calculator widget. And what will change after we add our product, we'll see our Fluid accounts as a separate button with balance, earnings, just a second, and APY. And also you'll be able to calculate your how much you can get with different products as Fluid accounts, this thing, and our Ave Integration vault. What else? Actually, also I want to show you that you can withdraw your deposit just with one click. You just need to select DAI or DUSD and press this button. That's it. Yep, this is it for me. Thank you.
Amazing. They look really, really good. Thank you so much. And so thank you for showing those. And Koplo, thank you for the little teaser as well. You were saying there is something else coming up, but I can't exactly say what it is just yet. It's a marketing dream. Thank you. So guys, keep posted for those updates as well. I'm now going to turn it over to Igor just to see what the tech team have been working on and any updates from those. I know some of the tech team are going to be working around the clock over the weekend on some exciting new things.
Yeah, very exciting for weekend for them, definitely. But the team is working around the clock. But currently we are right in the middle of the sprint, so not much change since the last week. But the current progress is mostly on the so-called account splitting, which Mike will spend his nice weekend upon doing it in the Georgian office. But yeah, this is really a big feature for us, which will affect all of our current accounts and all future architecture and the look and feel of the split accounts. Hopefully you will see that, and definitely most of the people that hold the Fluid cards will appreciate this much more because they will be able to access the unlimited account beside their card account. But apart from that, of course, the investments is in progress, and the trade Fluid is on the final approach as well. Yeah, that's about it.
Awesome. So just to give everyone a recap of what we've covered today. So we have our amazing new joiners as well that introduced themselves on the call. We covered the DAI update. We will be updating you guys on Telegram and on Twitter as soon as we do have more DAI that is added. And we are working as fast as we can to get that done for you guys. Thank you for bearing with us. We also ran through some of the successes with the Gleam campaign, 55 different countries with users that had applied. It's our most successful campaign yet. We then talk through some of the exciting DeFi integrations with Aave, for example, and one other one that we can't announce just yet that it's also very exciting coming up. Sveta showed through the savings screens. Mike will be working over the weekend on these split accounts, so we can give you guys an update there. And as general, you can just see that the team is really growing, working hard and scaling as we do go into this next stage of adoption, which is super exciting. We will be in Georgia. Some of the team members are already there, and some of us will be traveling over next week. So do make sure to keep an eye on socials. We will be updating you with some of the brainstorming conversations and some of the general updates. Some of the team might have applied for a team building marathon as well. So it might be some good entertainment on the social media channels for you guys. Max, do we have any questions from our community members today?
We don't this week, surprisingly.
Okay, so what we will do after the call, once it's saved, is Max will add over the Telegram and Twitter, the official accounts. So we will update you on the DAI situation. And also, if you do just want to follow the accounts to keep more up to date with some of our product offerings, you can do so. To all of our new joiners and all of our team members, guys, thank you for joining the call on this Friday afternoon. And to all of our community members, thank you guys for tuning in. Have a great weekend, guys. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Guys.
Bye.
Goodbye.
We are offline.